Welcome back to the Uninex product review page. Today we'll be looking at product VS108, the Crystal Night Light Air Humidifier. The USB crystal ball humidifier serves three functions: humidification, aroma diffusion, and air purification. Its small size allows for portability. This also removes unfavorable odors and food smells. It has a removable tank for easy refilling, is powered via USB ports on computers, and is a healthy lifestyle gadget that is great for home, office, and car use. To use the Crystal Night Light Humidifier, product VS108, simply rotate clockwise and open the lid. After opening the lid, pour the right amount of water. Turn clockwise to fasten the lid, and make sure that the filter is in place. Once the lid is secure, plug in the power into a standard outlet, and then into your humidifier, and press the start button to begin the humidification. This is the Crystal Night Light Air Humidifier. Thanks for watching our product demonstration.